Experiment Going Nuts.
The going nuts experiment is crafted to vividly demonstrate Newton's first law of motion, or the law of inertia, which explains that an object remains at rest or in motion unless acted upon by an external force. The experiment aims to visually illustrate inertia by balancing nuts on an embroidery hoop atop a bottle. The goal is to understand how swiftly removing the hoop allows the nuts to drop straight into the bottle due to their tendency to resist changes in their state of motion. By exploring the relationship between force, motion, and inertia, participants can apply these principles to real-world scenarios, such as the famed tablecloth trick, where inertia keeps objects in place when the cloth beneath them is quickly pulled away.
The materials used for this experiment are as follows: 12-inch wooden embroidery hoop, which in our case we used rolled cardboard, a narrow mouth bottle, and 12 1/4-inch nuts, which we used coins as substitution.
Now let's move on to our analysis.
Number 1. Describe the winner's technique. The winner's technique in this experiment applies Newton's first law of motion, which states that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an external force. The player faces the hoop so the full circle is visible, then swings their arm across their body and grabs the far side of the hoop. With a quick flick of the wrist, they pull the hoop away. Since the coins aren't touched directly, they stay in place due to inertia and fall straight into the bottle. This smooth motion lets the coins drop cleanly, using their natural tendency to stay still until gravity pulls them down. Number 2. Explain why the winner's technique was successful. The winner's technique was successful because it used the principle of inertia and minimized friction. When we quickly pull the side of the hoop upward, the part of the hoop under the coins drops down. The sudden movement reduces the contact between the coins and the hoop, so there's very little friction to drag the coins along. Thanks to inertia, the coins stay in the place over the bottle's mouth even as the hoop is squeezed away. With the hoop gone and nothing supporting them, the coins fall straight down into the bottle. This smooth and fast motion allows the coins to drop cleanly.
Based on our data analysis, we can therefore conclude that inertia played a central role in the success of the going nuts experiment. The winner's quick and smooth wrist flick applied just enough force to move the hoop without disturbing the coins, allowing inertia to keep them momentarily at rest. This minimized friction allowed the coins to remain in place momentarily before gravity pulled them down and straight into the bottle. Their success highlighted how objects resist changes in motion unless acted upon by an external force, making the experiment a practical and visual way to understand inertia.